Well, as you can see here guys, we've got the solar panels upside down. We've got some new connectors there. Apparently I have to I need to shorten these wires, put some new connectors on them, connect them together, and then wire them up to the Bluetti. I'm not too sure on what we're doing, we're just sort of watching videos as we go, but I'm just going to set you up and let you watch me do this, and hopefully that'll help you guys at home if anyone wants to do it themselves. So I'll set you up on a time lapse guys, and you can watch. Guys, that is us done here. We're all stuck down. We've got plenty of weight on there just to keep everything down. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. We have got to let it dry for a bit, remove all this, and then we'll drill the hole in for the wires. But yeah, ultimately all done. Happy days. See you in a bit guys. Right guys, we are done. So I've taped that down. We've got the wires to put in there. Once that's dried, I'll tie them up, tidy all these wires up at a later date. But yeah, pretty much everything is set in place now, ready to go. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.